I wanted to pick up Professor Bengio on a point that Professor Harari made around jobs, because I do think the discussion around what AI means for my job, for your job, for the audience's jobs, is a very tangible way to ground the threat it poses. How would you characterize the threat or lack thereof AI poses to our jobs?
So on the one hand, there are people who are like, for example, there was a recent study coming out of OpenAI and academics suggesting a large fraction of the jobs would be, say, modified, and you get a lot more productivity, which means we would either have less people doing those jobs, or we would do more of those things. So think about programming is a good example. If we could do our programming job twice as fast because of AI tools, are we going to have half as many programmers, or are we going to have the same number doing twice as much good?